On a bright Saturday, our backyard buzzed with a special kind of magic. Sammy, eyes wide, gazed at the cardboard mountain on the picnic table, a tiny wish for wonder sparkling in her gaze.
I explained how we'd make a volcano erupt with science, not fire.
Bahu immediately teased. "Oh no, are we sure this won't flood the whole backyard?" Sammy giggled. "But why does the volcano spit lava if there's no fire?" Aji chuckled. "When I was your age, we made volcanoes out of mud. We carefully poured baking soda into the cone." The air hummed with anticipation. "I predict a massive explosion." While Sammy bounced with excitement, a deep rumbling voice seemed to whisper from the cardboard. "I feel the pressure rising, tremble before my power." Then, with a splash of vinegar, the magic erupted. A vibrant, foamy lava bubbled and flowed down the sides. "Tremble before my lava," the volcano boomed, quite pleased. Laughter filled the air, a perfect blend of wonder and shared joy. We had made magic, together, leaving us with warm smiles and a sense of shared discovery.